Methods of integration. Here we have to learn 9 formulae. 9 formulas are shown here. 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx, that is sin inverse of x by a. Integration of 1 by root of a square plus x square sin h inverse of x by a. 1 by root of x square minus a square cos h inverse of x by a. 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x, 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus. These 3 formulas are very important. Root of a square minus x square is x by 2, same value, root of a square minus x square. Formula, look here, I write a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a square plus x square. A square plus x square is x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a. Root of x square minus a square, x by 2 root of x square minus a square plus minus a square by 2 cos h inverse king minus cos h inverse of x by a. So you have to learn these formulas. So go for the method of integration. First method is, if the integration is in the form of 1 by a square ax square plus bx plus c, or 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, or integration of root of ax square plus bx plus c. If among these forms, consider ax square plus bx plus c. How to convert ax square plus bx plus c to the form px plus c whole square plus r square, px plus q whole square plus r square, sum of two perfect squares, so that we can write in the 9, we can apply 9 formula for it. Okay, first we go from the problem, integration of 1 by root of and integration of 1 by without root and so on. I consider this first problem here, integration of 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 10. A simple problem, I think. You have to take like this. First work is x square plus 2x plus 10. This can be written as x square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 1 square plus 9. So we have to write it as a perfect square, x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square. The work we have to do here is this. Now if you come to the integration, this can be written as integration of 1 by root of value is x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square into dx. So this integration can be written as formula. It is of the form x coefficient is 1, so I can consider this as x square plus a square. So formula is sin h inverse x by a is x minus 1 by 3 easy. So this is the way of integrating the problem. So first method, I think it's very clear. Next we'll go for second one, same type of problems. Integration of 1 by 4x square minus 4x minus 1 into dx is given. How you will write this? 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 is given. How you split this? I write like this. I can take 4 common, x square minus x and then minus 1. 4 into x square, I multiply and divide with the 2, x minus 1. This can be written as 4 into x square minus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. So there is 4 times of x minus 1 by 2 whole square up to this, x minus 1 by 2 whole square. 4 into minus 4, minus 1 by 4 is minus 1, minus 1. So this can be written as 4 into or else 2 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 2. 2 can be written as root 2 whole square. Now I go for the integration. This integration can be written as integration of 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square, okay, into dx. So this is nothing but integration of x square minus a square. First of all, x coefficient is 2, so I write it as 1 by 2. Since I consider it as 1 by 2, now I consider it as x square and this as a. Formula is 1 by 2a log of x is 2 into x minus 1 by 2 minus root 2 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 plus root 2. This is 2 plus c. So I can end here by simplifying. So there is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 root 2. I can write it as 1 by 4 root 2, 2 into 2. This becomes 4. And then log of 2x minus 2 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 minus root 2 by 2 into x minus 1 plus root 2 plus c. This is second problem. So we are very clear about the first method. We are very clear about the first method. Go for the third one. Look here. It's very important problem. Integration of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square under root of into dx. We have to split. That is, given it is the 3 plus 8x minus 3x square. Perfect square, no? 3 minus of minus common 3x square minus 8x. Okay, right? 3 minus 3 into x square minus 8 by 3x. I write it as 2 into 4 by 3x. So what I am going to do is x square minus 2ab or a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. For that I have to take 2 common here. If it is not there, we have to multiply and divide. So minus 3 into x square minus 2 into 4 by 3 into x plus, if you square this becomes 16 by 9 minus 16 by 9. Right. There is 3 minus 3 into the value here it is up to this. That is x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus 3 into minus, that is plus 16 by 3. 3 into 1 by 9 becomes 3. 16 by 3. Right. Now 3 is there. Look here, 3 is there. And then 16 by 3 is there. If you add, it becomes 9 plus 16, 25 by 3. 25 by 3 minus 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square. So this can be written as 5 by root 3 whole square minus root 3x minus, taking 3 inside, it becomes root 3. Root 3 into or else root 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square. That's better, no? Alright. Now this integration can be written as integration of root of 5 by root 3 whole square minus root 3 into x minus 4 by 3 whole square into dx. This is in the form of x square, a square minus x square. Formula is x by 2. I write in the first 1 by root 3 in order to consider this as x. So then this is in the form of a square minus x square. Answer is x by 2. X is nothing but root 3 into x minus 4 by 3. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square. This is nothing but this. 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 So I can write it as 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus a square minus x square, no, plus a square by 2. A square is 25 by 3. A square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. What is sine inverse of x by a? X value is root 3 into x minus 4 by 3. A is 5 by root 3. So this can be multiplied with root 3 so that it becomes x minus 4 by 3 by 2, root 3 get cancelled, into root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square, and then 25 by 6, again root 3. When you multiply it with the root 3, this becomes 6 root 3, 6 into root 3. Sine inverse of root 3 into root 3 is 3 into 3x minus 4 by 3 by 5. Alright. So overall simplification, 3x minus 4 by 8 into root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square, then 25 by plus 25 by 6 root 3 plus 25 by 6 root 3 into sine inverse of 3x minus 4 by 5 plus here 3 gets cancelled. So that is the integration method. This is the first type. Second method, integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, or px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c, or px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. If it is in the form, we consider px plus q numerator is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Differentiate and then calculate the values of a and b, so that we can do. Or else we can do in some other method where you can enjoy. You first differentiate and then do this. See, I will do like this. Consider a problem here. Consider a problem. Integration of 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 by under root of x square minus 2x and then plus 10 is given into dx. Look here, I took two different works here. What is the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 10? I calculate this first of all. What is the value of this? X square derivative 2x minus 2x derivative 2, 10 derivative 0 into dx. Okay, this is the first work. Second work is, what is the x square minus 2x plus 10 as sum of two perfect squares, means x square minus 2 into x plus 1 plus 9. So this can be written as x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. Okay, this is second work I done. This is work 1. This is work 1, this is work 2. Okay, so two different work. Now I move on to the problem. I consider this as an integration. This can be written as, look here, 2x is needed. Yes, 2x is there. Now write like this, integration of, without writing 2x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b, and then differentiating, equating, all these things are not done. Directly I will do like this, 2x is there, you consider 2x here, right? I'll write 2x, and then minus 2 is there, here plus 5 is there, so I add minus 2 and add plus 2, plus 5 is already there, so I added these two terms here, plus 2 and minus 2 is added. Remaining thing is same, root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Next work, I split this integration into two integrations. There is 2x minus 2 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Second integration as integration of 7, 2 plus 5 is 7 by root of instead of writing x square minus 2x plus 10, I write this x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square. So we have to apply two formulas here. The first one is 1 by, if you consider this as f of x, if you consider this as f of x, this becomes f dash of x. So f dash of x by root of f of x. So answer is 2 into root of x square minus 2x plus 10. First integration. Before method of integration, there is a 2 marks question I completed. We come to the second integration part. 7 is constant. 1 by x square, root of x square plus a square is sine h inverse of x by a. Coefficient of x is 1, so I am not writing anything there. So that's the answer. So plus a. I think you understood this. We go for second problem also. I'll do second one so that we can understand very easily. A problem is given like this: integration of x plus 1 by, root is not given, x square plus 3x plus 2 is given. Now come here, two parts we have to do work. First work I do is, what is the derivative of x square plus 3x plus 2. So you can write it very easily, 2x plus 3 into dx is the derivative of this. If you find 2x plus 3 into dx, you can consider this as derivative of total quadratic, right? Next work, what we have to do, x square, second work is x square plus 3x plus 2. This can be written as x square plus 2 into 3 by 2 x, since 2 is not there, plus 2, right? Next up, x square plus 2 into 3 by 2 into x, add 9 by 4 square of this, and then subtract 9 by 4, already lost value is there as 2. First three terms I can write it as x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Last two terms, if you take these two terms, this becomes minus 1 by 4. This becomes minus 1 by 4. I can write it as minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now come to the integration part. This is equal to integration of, here x coefficient is 2, so I multiply and divide with the 2. Look here, I multiply and divide with the 2. This becomes 2x plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx, right? Next again 1 by 2 into, add and subtract, so 2x plus 3 is there here, so add 3, 2x plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 by x square plus 3x plus 2 into dx, right? This can be written as 1 by 2 into integration of, first integration is 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 2. So it's in the form of f dash of x by f of x. Again 1 by 2 into second integration, 1 by 2 into integration of, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2 can be written like this. That is x plus 3 by 2 whole square, and then minus 1 by 2 whole square into dx. Okay. Now this integration can be written as, look here, this integration can be written as 1 by 2 into answer for this 1 by f of x into f dash of x is log of x square plus 3x plus 2. First part is over, and second part we have to apply the formula minus 1. I can write here. For answer for this is 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a log of x minus a, that is x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Right. At last I can conclude like this: 1 by 2 log of x square plus 3x plus 2, and then plus minus 1 by 4 into, what is the 1 by 4 into logarithm of 2x, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, and then by 2x plus 4, or else you can write it as x plus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus. Okay, right. So very interesting problems. Unless you enjoy, you can't do the problems. Third problem, look here, it's already given question. What's looking at the third problem? This is very important. It was given in IP also. So first work is we have to differentiate 2x square minus x plus 1. Its value is nothing but 4x minus 1 into dx. Okay, right. And then second work, what we have to do is we have to split 2x square minus x plus 1. This can be written as 2 into x square minus 1 by 2 into x, then plus 1. Again this can be written as 2 into x square minus 2 into 1 by 4 into x plus 1. This can be written as 2 into x square minus 2 into 1 by 4x plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16 plus 1. This can be written as 2 into first three terms is x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Okay, alright. Next one is 2 into minus 1 by 16 is minus 2 by 16 plus 1. So this is nothing but 2 into, that can be written as root 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square, and then 16 minus 2 is 14 by 16, that can be written as plus 7 by 8 root of 7 by 8 whole square, root of 7 by 8 whole square. So now come for the integration. This can be written as integration of 3, I take common 3. This can be written as x minus 2 by 3 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Next, since I have 4x minus 1 here, so I divide with the 4, 3 by 4 into integration of 4x minus 8 by 3, isn't it? For this I add minus 1 and plus 1, so that this becomes 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. This is 3 by 4 into integration of 4x minus 1 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Again plus 3 by 4 I'll write here. And then remaining part is 3 minus 8 is minus 5 by 3. Integration of 3 minus 8 is minus, okay, right, minus 5 by 3 into root of root 2x square minus x plus can be written as root 2 into x minus 1 by 4 this whole square minus root of 7 by 8 whole square. This is in the form of x square, plus is there, x square plus a square. So first, for first one, I can write it formula. We have formulas. This is f dash of x. Root of f of x into f dash of x is root of f of x into f dash of x is 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, first one formula is completed. Next one, 3 gets cancelled. Then minus 5 by 4 is there into root 2 is there. I divide with root 2 so that I can consider this as x. Now I go for the formula. Formula is x by 2. X by 2. Root of x square plus a square is x by 2. Root of x square plus a square. This total can be written as 2x square minus x plus 1. And then plus a square by 2. A square by 2 sin h inverse of x by a, that is root 2 into x minus 1 by 4 by a is root 7 by 2 root 2. Okay, alright. And then value here it is 3 gets cancelled, 2 ones, 2 twos, so I remain with 1 by 2. 2x square minus x plus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 2. First part is over, simplified. When you multiply this with this, here 4x minus 1 by 8 is there. 4 gets cancelled. No 4 gets, root 2 gets cancelled. Minus 5 by 4, 16 2 32 into root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Okay, right. Next, 7 by 16 into minus 5. Minus 7 into 5 is 35 by 16 4 64 root 2. 64 root 2. Someone will write it as 35 root 2 by 128. However, it is correct. And then sin h inverse of x by a is, when you get into root 2 here, 4 gets cancelled with this. 4x minus 1 by root 7 is plus. Method number 3. In this method, we have to learn how to evaluate dx by a cos x plus b sin x, and then dx by a plus b sin x, and then dx by a plus b cos x. If such type of problems are given, we have to take tan x by 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and then cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and then sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Dx 2 dt by 1 plus t square, cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, sin x 2t by 1 plus t square. Now we'll take an example. What is the integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx? What we have to consider, it's in the form of 1 by a plus b cos x. So I consider x as tan t is equal to tan x by 2. t is equal to tan x by 2. And then what is dt? Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. I have to consider tan x by 2 is equal to t. Therefore, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And then what we have to replace for cos x? It is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now come to the problem. If you consider this as I write this as integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 into cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Take LCM. Take LCM. If you take LCM, what we get is dt integration of 2 dt by, take LCM, 5 plus 5t square, 5 into 1 plus t square is 5 plus 5t square, and then 4 minus 4t square. So this can be written as 2 into integration of 1 by 5 plus 4 is 9, that is 3 square, and then 5t square minus 4t square is t square dt. This is in the form of 1 by a square plus x square, that is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So this is 2 by 3 into tan inverse of, what is the value of x? X is cos x is 2 dt by tan x by 2. T is equal to tan x by 2 by 3. Okay, T is equal to tan x by 2. Clear? Right. Second problem, I will take second example. Integration of 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. 4 cos x plus 3 sin x into dx. What do we have to consider? Let tan x by 2 is equal to t. Let tan x by 2 is equal to t. What is cos x? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. What is sin x? 2t by 1 plus t square. What is dt? What is dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So now this integration becomes integration of 1 by 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, then plus 3 into 2t by 1 plus t square, and then dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Take LCM and then cancel with the 1 plus t square. So we remain with the integration of 2 dt by 4 minus 4t square plus 60. Now we take 4 common here, 2, you can cancel with the 2. This we're taking 2 by 4 common. This becomes dt by 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square plus 6 by 4 t. Taking 1 minus t square plus 6 by 4 t. 1 minus of t square minus 2 into 3 by 4 into t. Take common, minus common. 6 by 4 can be written as 2 into 3 by 4 plus 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16. Right. 1 minus, you can write this as t minus 3 by 4 whole square, first 3 terms, a minus b whole square, and then minus of minus plus 9 by 16. Okay, there is a 9 by 16. 1 plus 9 by 16 is 25 by 16. I can write it as 5 by 4 whole square minus t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, so this is second part of the work. So this integration can be written as 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by, replace this with this, there is a 5 by 4 whole square minus t minus 3 by 4 whole square. So formula for this is 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a is 2 into 5 by 4 into log of a plus x by a minus x, 5 by 4 minus t plus 3 by 4. So I can end here 1 by 5 into, this 4 gets cancelled, 1 by 5 into logarithm of 5 minus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4. So t plus 2 by 4 plus t, here 8 by 4 minus t. So 2 plus t by 8, 2 plus 4t by 8 plus 8 minus 4t, 8 minus 4t. So you can simplify like this. You can cancel as a log of 1 plus 2t by 4 minus 2t. So where t is equal to tan of x by 2. Third example, a cos x plus b sin x plus c will also be given. Or here it is also same. Put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So dx becomes, this implies dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. And then remaining thing is same. So I come here, integration of 1 by 3 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 into dx is nothing but 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, take LCM and then simplify. This becomes integration of 1 by 3 minus 3t square plus 8t plus 6 plus 6t square into 2 dt. This becomes integration of 2 dt by 3t square, then 8t plus 9. 8t plus 9. So this integration. So 3t square plus 8t plus 9. How you can do integration? This I write like this. Integration of 2 by 3 into dt by t square, 2 into 4 by 3 into t, 8 by 3t, okay, and then plus 3. What we have to add and subtract? I add 16 by 9 and subtract 16 by 9. You look into these terms, it is nothing but dt by integration of dt by t plus 4 by 3 whole square, okay, and then remaining is 9 3 is 27 minus 16 is 11 by 9. 11 by 9 can be written as root 11 by 3 whole square. It's in the form of 1 by x square plus a square formula 1 by a 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X is t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3. So now you replace this 2 by 3, 3 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled, 2 by root 11, okay, tan inverse of 3t, t is tan x by 2, 3t plus 4 by root 11 and then plus c. Method number 4. Here it will be of the form integration of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. Correct? 1 by a plus b tan x, 1 by a plus b cot x. If it is given like this, we have to consider numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. Comparing these values of cos x and sin x coefficients, we'll get relation between a and b. Solving those a and b, we'll get into the values of a and b, substituting it, and then if you simplify, you'll get into the solution of the given integration. This is the method. So we go for the problem. First problem I take like this. First problem is 9 cos x integration of 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. So look here, numerator. What is the method? Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. What is numerator? 9 cos x minus sin x. A into what is denominator? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. B into what is denominator derivative? Denominator 4 cos sin x derivative is 4 cos x. And then 5 cos x derivative is minus 5 sin x. So when you compare the coefficient of cos x, you'll get 9 is equal to 5a plus 4b. When you compare sign coefficients, you'll get minus 1 is equal to 4a and then minus 5b. 4a minus 5b. Right. You have to solve these two values. Multiply this with the 5 and multiply this with the 4 so that these two gets cancelled. Okay. So 45 minus 4 is 41 is equal to 25 plus 16, 41a. This implies a is equal to 1. Okay. So if a is equal to 1, what about the value of b? 9 is equal to 5 plus 4b. So b is also 1. So now come here. We have to answer like this. So integration of 9 cos x minus sin x, that is numerator, can be written as a into, that is 1 into, denominator is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Okay. A into denominator plus b d by dx. B is 1. D by dx of denominator is 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, 4 sin x. The derivative is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Denominator d by dx of denominator into dx. I split this into two integrations. First one 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x is 1. First integration is dx. Second integration is integration of d by dx of dx. Become dx gets cancelled. 1 by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into derivative of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So what we can write is, this is the value of x, there is the value of log of 1 by x dx is log x, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus c. That's the answer. Look here, if it is given like this, there is integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x, 1 by 1 minus cot x also given. So 1 by 1 plus tan x is given. Then what you will do? Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x by cos x into dx. So this integration can be written as integration of cos x by cos x plus sin x, okay, into dx. What is numerator? So formula, numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. So what is numerator? Numerator is cos x, denominator is cos x plus sin x, and then plus b into derivative of denominator is minus sin x plus cos x. Now compare the coefficient of cos x. When you compare, 1 is equal to, here it is a, here it is b. A plus b is equal to 1. When you compare sin coefficient, here sin is not there, so 0 is equal to a minus b. When you add, you will get that 2a is equal to 1. When you subtract, and 2a is equal to 1, this implies a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, right. When a is equal to 1 by 2, what is the value of b? B is also 1 by 2 since a is equal to b. Since a is equal to b. Now come here. For this integration, I can write like this. Numerator can be written as, cos x can be written as a into, a is, I write into a itself, a into cos x plus sin x, and then plus b into d by dx of cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Now separate the integrations. When you separate the integration, it is a is 1 by 2 into dx, both gets cancelled, and then next integration is b is also 1 by 2, integration of dx gets cancelled, d into cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x. So I can integrate now. Integration is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x dx value is log of cos x plus sin x plus c. So you can do integration of 1 by 1 minus cot x into dx. Method number 5. Here integration of 1 by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx, or 1 by a cos square x plus b cos x sin x plus c sin square x into dx is given. Divide both numerator and denominator, or instead of divide, multiply both numerator and denominator with the secant square x and take tan x is equal to t, so that you will be in any one of the four methods already discussed. Okay, right, we go for the problem. Example, if we take an example, that is integration of 1 by 4 sin square x plus 9 cos square x. How you will do this? If you multiply with secant square x, or else divide with cos square x, there is 1 by cos square x. There is nothing but secant square x. I multiplied numerator with secant square, nothing but 1 by cos square. 4 into sin square by cos square. Okay, and then plus 9 into cos square by cos square. No need to write this step. For our convenience sake, I have wrote this. What you can write means directly you can write it as secant square x by 4 into tan x square and then plus 9 into dx. So I can write like this, integration of 1 by, we take 4 common, 1 by 4 into, this can be written as tan x whole square, okay, and then plus 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole square into secant square x dx. I write it as d of tan x. Now if you consider tan x is equal to t, look here, 1 by t square plus a square into dt, nothing but formula 1 by a, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, that is x is nothing but tan x by a is 3 by 2, okay, plus c. So this is 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 2 tan x by 3, 2 tan x by 3 plus a very simple problem. Then we will go into next method. It's one problem is more than enough. Method number 6, it's very easy. I have to discuss since in the beginning. Since it's very easy, I'm discussing it at the end of the session. Integration of 1 by ax plus b into root of cx plus d, or ax plus b by root of cx plus d, or integration of ax plus b into root of cx plus d. In all these cases, under root we have cx plus d. So consider cx plus d as t square. So cx becomes t square minus d. If you differentiate, c into dx becomes 2t dt, dx becomes 2t dt by 2t dt by c. Okay. So let us take an example on this, so that we can understand the same problem. So for example, if we integrate, what is the integration of 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 3 by, what we can take is root of 4x plus 3, okay. So let us consider like this. For example, suppose what you have to consider means under root we have 4x plus 3, so I consider it as t square. So 4 into dx becomes 2t dt, okay. So what is the value of x? 4x is nothing but t square minus 3, t square minus 3. So integration of I multiply and divide with the 2, so that it becomes 4x plus 6 by root of 4x plus 3 into dx. So I consider 4x plus 3 is equal to t square, so 1 by 2 into integration of, what is the value of 4x? It's t square minus 3 plus 6, okay, by t, root of t square is t, and dx becomes 2t. Dx becomes if you send like this, it becomes t by 2 dt, okay, t by 2 dt. So t gets cancelled, okay. So 1 by 4 into integration of t square plus 3 into dt. So what is the value of this? 1 by 4 into t square integration is t cubed by 3 plus 3 into integration of dt is t plus c. So what is this? 1 by 12 t cube. T is the root of, t is equal to 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. So now what is the whole cube? This is 4x plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. And then 3 by 4 into t. T is nothing but 4x plus 3 root or else whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. This is the example for this. You can do such type of method number 7. It's a very important problem. Okay, 1 by px plus q, 1 by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. Such type of problems are given. Consider Px plus Q is equal to 1 by T, and then P into dx as minus 1 by T square dt. Px plus Q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. In case of intermediate, it's very important. Let us take an example and see what it is. Let us take an example for this. Integration of 1 by 3x 1 plus x, it's given as 1 plus x, into root of 3 plus 2x minus x square into dx. It's a 1 plus x into root of 3 plus 2x minus x square into dx. What do you consider? Since it's in the form of 1 by px plus q, consider px plus q, that is 1 plus x, as 1 by t. Therefore, derivative becomes minus 1 by t square. Okay. What is the value of t? T is 1 by 1 plus x. T is 1 by 1 plus x. What is the value of x? 1 by t minus 1. That is 1 minus t by t. 1 minus t by t. So t is 1 by 1 plus x. X is 1 minus t by t. These are the values we have. So now come here. Let us take this as an integration. Important for 7 marks. Integration of 1 by. Consider 1 plus x as 1 by t. Root of 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x. I can factorize, I think. 3 plus x into 3 minus, right? Let us write it as 2 into, what is the value of x? 1 minus t by t, then minus x square becomes 1 minus t by t whole square, into what is the derivative of x? This is minus 1 by t square dt. So you can factorize and you can substitute 1 plus x. 1 plus x and 3 minus x. This is 1 plus x and 3 minus x. But I am not writing like this. For remaining problems also it will be very easy if you do like this. So this is integration of 1 by, here it is t square. If you take t square, root of t square common, it becomes 1 by t into 1 by t, 1 by t square. Okay, it's under root now. No need to take by. So 3t square, 2t minus 2t square, minus a minus b whole square is 1 plus t square minus 2t. By t square I have taken common, or else you write the t here and then write t square here. T square gets cancelled with the minus 1 by t square here, t square into dt. So there is a minus integration of 1 by 3t square minus 2t square minus t square minus t square minus 2t square minus plus 3t square cancelled. 2t plus 2t becomes 4t, and then minus 1 is there. So there is the thing lies inside root into dt. What is the root of ax plus b? Minus, I write it as by 4, so that I can treat it as x, 1 by root x, formula 2 root x. 2 root of 4t minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. So answer is minus 1 by 2 into root of 4 into, what is the value of t? 1 by 1 plus x minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into under root of 4 minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 2 into under root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. Okay. So very important problem. Learn all these problems with the patience so that you can complete the almost utmost models methods here.